How to rename your Google Home device. Is your Google Home still called living room speaker or something boring? Let's give it a cool new nickname. Open the Google Home app, then find the device you want to rename, and then tap the little setting gear icon in the bottom right corner. Now scroll until you see the options. There you will see Home Nickname. Tap on it. Here's the fun part. Type in your new name, maybe something like bedroom speaker or something fun like DZ Google. Once you have typed it, hit save. Your Google Home now has a brand new identity. And here's the pro tip. Giving your device unique name makes voice commands way easier. Instead of saying, "Hey Google, play music on living room," or you can just say, "Hey Google, play music on this Google." And there you go. Your Google Home has a fresh new name. If this tutorial helped, smash the like button, drop your question in the comment, and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.